Guys, here with another Michael Kors handbag review, and this time I have the Michael Kors Emma Messenger bag, and this is the color Dark Dune. So here is the front part of the bag, here's the side, and then here is the back, and this is Dark Dune and gold. There's the back, the bottom. Now what I like about this bag is this little lock right here, and the fact that the lock has a cover on it, and you can take the cover off. Y'all, that is so cute. And then it has a little lock. I thought that was the cutest thing. And then here's the key. The key is attached to the side, and then you can unlock it right there. But you don't need the key because it just snaps. So that's just a little feature. But I thought this was so cute that it has the little cover for that. That's like the cutest thing ever. So like I said, this flaps up here, and you will have a pocket here. Let me see if my phone will fit. Yep. Let me see. Yep. iPhone 11 fits with the case and all, so that does fit, which that's a plus. So that does fit. And let me show you guys the inside. Here is the inside of the bag. You will have a zip pocket over here. And then on this side, you will have just a large pocket. And then here's the inside. It kind of puts you in the mind of this bag right here. It puts you in the mind of this bag, except this one right is actually the same size bag, except for this one just have this little pocket right here on the front. But honestly, it's the same bag, just this one has the pocket in the front. So I thought I would share that with you guys. But yeah, y'all, like I said, this is called the Emma Medium Messenger bag in the color Dark Dune. Let me see if y'all can get that to focus. There we go. This is the Emma in the color Dark Dune. So I thought that was a really cute bag. And you can wear it either on your shoulder. You can wear it either on your shoulder like this, or you can do it you can wear it as a crossbody. Either way, it's cute. So yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys that. And I guess I'll be on to the next video. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.